Hey, it's Quinn the Eskimo in New Hampshire, heading toward winter quarters. We're heading out there. So my friends, Paul's place, New Hampshire, winter quarters. We're on the trail, walking out. Give you an idea what's going on here. But got our stuff out. We got a wood stove. We got a fire. Where do you see this fort? Nice, real nice. Yeah. There we go. Getting there. Let me turn it around to you. Got an old German pack on. It's heavy. It's okay. Winter quarters. It's our fort. Yes, sir. We're all reenactors here. All time periods. They're coming in. Check it out. It's cool. Yes, sir. There's my friend in there. Cool little fort. Yes, sir. We ain't messing around here. But, walking in. Some of our little packs right there. We even have a couple guests here. Yeah, man, here's the lean-to. My buddy Paul built all this. Talking about a little quarters, man. This is the cat's meow. Yeah. When we go there, we're going to light the stove. Going to light the fire. My friend's cutting the wood there. Yeah, piece of cake for him. He's old Mainer. Does a lot of his own stuff. Great board. What do they call what you do? Boarding or?
What's that?
Your activities.
Skateboarding.
Skateboard. Expert. He can flip up in the air and everything. Not me. My days are over for that. But yeah, man, this is our little getaway. About 200 meters from the main cabin, sticking out into peninsula, into state forest, and used to have canvas along the edges there, but now we got metal. No canvas over there, but been coming out for a lot of years. Martin Luther King weekend's usually when we come out, in honor of one of our friends that passed away that weekend. We've had other friends pass away, also Martin Luther King too. But yeah, you know, there's a little wood pile in here. We do some hardwood, but mostly pine out here. In the cabin we burn hardwood, but yeah, man, this is it. Cool. Okay, let me we got to get everything going, get it lit up. We'll be out here, I'd say it's about 10 o'clock in the morning right now. Probably be out here until about 11 o'clock tonight. Stay out here all day. Get everything going. We'll cook a lot of food and some beer, pork. I don't know if we have any buffalo, I'm not sure. Oh, I got some smoked bluefish, which is back at the cabin. Forgot that. I'll have to go back and get that. But there you go, man. There, look at that. That's it. I think I'd rather split oak than pine. Pine could be a pain in the neck sometimes. Around his house, he has a lot of fir, which is pretty good. Up north, near down east there. But that's pretty cool. So, get back there. We'll do some more filming after we get some fires going here and stuff. So, Take it easy, man.